Today I'm going to showcase the free LUT lookup table, a sunset on this photo in Photoshop. So let's go up to our adjustments here, go to the color lookup, and we're going to go load 3D LUT. And on the desktop here, we've got our dot cube. Load that in, and there we go. There's before, and there's after. So I'm going to delete this layer here, and I'm going to just show you guys some film emulation LUTs. We have them already loaded in here. And let's test out one for Agfa Ultra Warm. And there we go. There's before, and there's after. So if you want to download the free lookup table sunset, you can check the link down below, or you can go to presetpro.com, look under the free tab, lookup tables. And if you're looking for the LUT that I just used, I'm going to also leave another link down below, or you can go to presetpro.com, go to the top menu, LUTs, and that's where you'll find the film emulation collection. Thanks for watching.